Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the object. So how to create the object. So starting with this objects, first of all we have to learn about the class. So let's start with discussing about these class and objects in PHP language. So here the first of all, what is a class? So class is a user defined data type which holds its own data members and member function. So these data members and member functions can be accessed and used by creating the instance of a class, and the variable inside the class definition are known as the data members, and the function which we are declaring in the class are known as the member function. So here some are the rules which we have to follow to define the class. So first of all, the special form class followed by the name of the class that you want to define. First of all, we have to define the class keyword, and after that we have to give in the name to this class. After that, a set of braces enclose any number of variable declaration and function definition. So the variables and the functions are declared in between the curly brackets. Variable declaration starts with the special form var, which is followed by a conventional $sign, then variable name. So they may also have an initial assignment to a constant value. After that, the function definition look much like a standalone PHP function but are local to the class and will be used to set and access object data type. So these are the rules which are linked to this class, how to define this class in PHP programming. So the syntax for to declare this class is like we have to write the class keyword, then we have to give in the class name. In curly brackets, we have to define the data members and the member functions. So this is the way in which we can define the class. So example of class is like the class of birds. All birds can fly and they have their wings and beaks. So here the fly is the behavior of the birds and wings and beaks are their characteristic. So here you can see that the different birds in this class have the same characteristic, like they have the same behavior and they have the same characteristic, but their bird names varies. Okay, so this is the example of class. Another after creating the class, we have to create the object. So objects are instance of a class, so which holds the data variable declared in class, and the member function work on this class object. Each object has different data variables, and objects are initialized using special class functions called constructors. So we will discuss about these constructors and destructor later on. And whenever the object is out of its scopes, another special class member function called destructor is called to release the member reserved by the object. So about these two we will discuss about this in next class. And the syntax for to declare the object, we have to start with the $sign, then we have to give the object name, and the object name must be equal to new. We have to define the keyword new, and after that the class name must be same with the name which we have declared with the keyword class. So this is the way to write the object. So let's come to the program. So here I define this program, and in this I have created the class and objects. Okay, so first of all, defining a class. So here I am creating a class with the keyword class and the class name as course. Okay, in curly brackets here I am defining these variables and functions. So in these curly brackets, the curly brackets and here, so in these curly brackets I have defined the variables and the functions. We can call it as data members and the member functions. So these are the member variables, variable $price and variable $names. These are two variables in which we have declaring here in class. Next, coming to the member function. So first member function I have declared is set price, that will set the price of the particular object here, and then the function get price, so it will give the price description. After that we have the set name and another is get name, and here you can see that in this member function we have referred to this price and as well as name variable. So these are referred by using this special variable. So this mainly used to refer property of a class, and it is available whenever a method is called from within an object context. So here you can see that we are calling these two variables within this class. So for that we have to mention here this variable. And coming to the next part, here I have created the object. So objects are created by, like, here I have given the object name and equals to new keyword, and after that the name of this character is same as the name of the class. So here you can see that the class name is course, so here the object is equal to new course. Same way I have created three objects, that is Java, PHP and HTML. Another we are here we are discussing the next part of this program, that is calling member function. So we have created the class. In class we have declared the variables and as well as the functions, and now we have created the objects. Now the last part is that we have to make the call to this member function. So to make the calls to this member function, we have to use this object name and the function that we have declared in the class. Like here we first of all we are using the Java object name, and here we are calling the set name function, and with Java we are here we are setting the name for this, that is Java beginner to advanced. So here we are giving the name to this course, and the course price is 700. Okay, so and here we are calling the member function by Java, this operator sign, and then get name and this close brackets. Same way to get the price, we have to write here get price. So first of all we have to set the name, and set price function is used to set the name and price. After that, get name and get price are used to get these variable or to display these variable in browser. So here same way the next object, that is PHP, here we are setting the name and its price, and then we have to get these names and price in the browser. So same way the last one is the HTML. So here the program will end. So in this way we can create the class, and in between class we have to define the member variables and member functions. Then we have to create the object. After creating object, we have to make the call to the member function. So to make the call to the member function, we are using two functions, set name and set price, get name and get price. So here find these here, set price, get price, set price and the get price. So here these get price will display this in browser, because we have defined echo this operator price dot this. So here this echo is used to get the output in the browser. So let's see how it will display it in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here you can see that it's displaying the name of the course with the price, because in this we have here we called this get name get price with these different object names. So that's why it's calling the member function and displaying this in the browser. So in this way we can get these course names and their price in the browser. So in this way we can create the class and object in PHP programming. Thank you.